guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to share with you guys the promised house tour. So this is my house and this is where myself and Atra we're living, and there is 7 people living in this house. So I'm going to give you guys a quick house tour in this video. Let's get started. Into the house, this is a closet, like an entrance closet right here. So we hang our jackets here, and also we kind of keep like a couple of boots in here, and that's all at the entryway. And as soon as we enter, here is the living room. So this is the living room, and we have like 2 couches and 1 fridge because we have 2 fridges. So 1 fridge is sitting in the living room, and these are my other housemates. That's Priyanka, that's Geetu, and that's Naina. Adra is behind the camera, of course. So, right when you enter from the living room, that's the kitchen and dining area. And here we have like a small bathroom, and then downstairs is the basement, and upstairs is 2 bedrooms. So, as I said, this is from where you enter from the living room into the kitchen area and the dining area. So this is an open kitchen, just like how it is in any other house in Canada. And here is the dining area slash work study area. This is where we would sit and work on our laptops or do our homeworks and all of those things. And here's where we cook. So as I showed you guys, we have like 2 fridges. One is sitting in the living room and one is right here because it's like 7 people and 1 fridge is not enough, and our owner is a good man. So yeah, we have like a lot of cabinets, and we need more actually, but we're adjusting. We're good people too. So we have a microwave and we have an oven. We have a dishwasher, but that we just use to store our kadais and stuff because we don't use dishwashers. And here we have like a sliding door through which we can enter the backyard area, but none of us has ever entered there, I guess, after coming here. Yeah, it's filled with snow, so no, we haven't entered there. But yeah, if you want, you can enter there. It's also a part of this house. So yes, that is it with the kitchen and dining area, and now let's go to the basement downstairs. So this is the stairways to the basement, and right here we have like a tiny closet, tiny bathroom, and then here's the stairs to the basement. Right below that washroom is the stairs to the basement, and as you walk down, at the end is the door. So when you enter the basement, this is what you see. So this is like a wide space here. So 3 people are living in here in the basement, and there's a lot of space in here. The only problem with basement is that it will be a little more colder when compared to upstairs. So yeah, that's the only issue, and also there's not much lighting because there's no windows to this basement. In some houses there will be windows to the basement, and even there will be like a separate doorway to the basement, but in this house that's not there. So yeah, that's the only issue. So it kind of gets darker in here and kind of lonely and scary because it's so dark. But other than that, it's just a really wide space and it's nice. Yeah. This is their closet. They have like a little closet space right here, and this is their washroom. So yeah, they have a separate shower, a washroom, and also a wash basin. So yeah, that's it with their washroom. Beside the washroom is the laundry room, and it's the most scariest room as well as door in the whole house. Yeah. It's pretty dark in here, and the light is in here. So yeah, I'm really scared to come in here, especially because of the creaky noise that the door makes, and the door never shuts apparently. It's just even more scary. This is the laundry room where we have the washer and the dryer. So all of this comes with the house, and you don't really have to go to separate laundry to do your laundry when you're renting inside a house because they'll already have like washer and dryer. When compared to some apartments, you might have to go for like separate laundries and get your laundry done. But here everything's there, and yeah, this is the light. Yeah, that's it. This is the laundry room, and it's the scariest room in the house. So once you switch it off, I want to get out of here. There's like all the mechanisms of all the heaters and everything in here, which makes a lot of noises as well. Scary. So yes, that's it for the basement, and now let's go upstairs where we live. So yeah. So when you come upstairs, this is what you see. There is 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, and we have a bathroom right here and a small closet space right here. So there was someone living here earlier, but now she vacated. This is like a single room. So yeah, this is like a single room with a tiny closet space right there. The closet space is pretty similar to ours, but the door is smaller, so it looks even smaller. That's all. Yeah, this is like a single room. She vacated. So yeah. Okay. So right beside this room is our room, mine and Adra's. So our room is also pretty small compared to the other rooms in this house, but still it's like adjustable for 2 people. So yeah. So we have both our beds, and there's like very little space in between, just for one person to walk in and out. That's it. And we have a window, which is actually nice. I actually love looking out of this window because there's a lot of trees, and then there's a ground up there. So yeah, it's pretty. Especially when you come, it was pretty. Now we've gotten used to it. So yeah. And we didn't have a lot of space in here, so we asked and we got like these shelves installed for us so that we'll have space to keep things. And that's our tiny teensy closet, which is like similar to what I showed in the previous room. For all the 4 people living upstairs, this is the bathroom and washroom and everything. So yeah, just give us a look at that. There's a lot of products because a lot of people are using it. Right now 4 people are using it, myself, Atra, and the other 2 people living in the next bedroom. So yeah, we do have like a bathtub and a shower and a closet, a good cabinet, and a wash basin. So right beside the washroom is a tiny closet space where we keep like our small little suitcase and our jackets that we don't use, like the ones that we brought from home, which is not very good for the winter here. And then yeah, not so useful stuff, so we keep it in there. And then we have another bedroom here, which is kind of like the master bedroom of this house. And again, 2 people are living in there. They have a pretty big closet. Now they're attending classes or something, doing something in there. So I don't want to disturb them. So yeah, that's the master bedroom, and with that, it's done. So coming to the rent and utilities that we are giving as of now, myself and Nantra, we are sharing like a bedroom. So we give $300 per month, each of us. So that's $600 for that room. We share the kitchen, we share like 2 to 3 bathrooms, and we get that living area, we get that dining area, and they gave us the bed as well. And he also helped in installing those shelves for us. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal if I'd say. Getting a house even for sharing for this $300, it's a big house and with a lot of utilities. So $300 rent is not much. Centralized heating and air conditioning is done using gas. So you'll get a gas bill at the end of the month, and also hydro bill, which includes your electricity and your water. So together, after sharing with 7 people, the bill is around $30 to $50. It can come anywhere between $30 to $50 because during the winter, you tend to use the heater even more, and once the summer comes up, you don't use the heater as much. So yeah, it kind of depends. The stovetop is electric stovetop, so that also comes in the electricity bill as well. We do use the washer, the dryer, we do use the microwave a lot, and we cook a lot. So when considering all of those things, the $30 to $50 a month utilities is not much, and also we don't have to pay for Wi-Fi in this house. We do have like a bus stop right like in 200 meters from the house, which is great. So yeah, we don't really have to walk a lot to get to a bus stop. And even we have like a Scotia Bank close by, 400 to 500 meters. We have like a Real Canadian
super chill. So everything is close by. It's more like a residential area in London, so it's even better. It's much more safer, and yeah, there's a lot of houses here, and it's really nice. So this is like a townhouse, and our owner has just rented it to all 7 girls. All of us are Malayalis, and all of the housemates here are really nice. So 4 of us came together in December here, and four of them were already here. One of them actually vacated like a week ago, whose room is this one, and I'm sitting there. So yeah, the other 3 girls are still here. They helped us actually settling in, and so yeah, that is like the rent and utility bills and like the accessibilities by living in this house. So yeah, I think it's pretty good for $300 to $350 a month. This is pretty good. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is it with the house tour. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful and also fun to watch. And if you did, as always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, please do comment down below and let me know if you have any doubts or if you want to ask me anything at all. And even if you have like any video sessions, let me know. And yes, with that, I'm gonna end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye. Bye.
So he
Blah 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 blah.
for all the 4 people in the house.